To make heavy cream from milk, first melt a third cup, 75 grams, of butter in a bowl in the microwave. Then, add 2/3 cup, 150 grams, of whole milk to the bowl, and stir together with a wooden spoon. Once the butter and milk are completely mixed together, you're done. To make whipped cream, first pour a 1/4 cup, 60 grams, of cold whole milk into a large bowl. Scatter 2 teaspoons, 6 grams, of powdered, unflavored gelatin over the surface of the milk and let it sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the mixture should look spongy. Next, heat the mixture in the microwave for 10 to 20 seconds to turn it back into a liquid. Then, pour 1 cup, 240 grams, of whole milk into a separate bowl and stir in 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 25 grams. Combine the contents of both bowls and whisk for 20 to 30 seconds. Place the bowl in the fridge for 20 minutes. Finally, beat the mixture with an electric mixer until the milk becomes thick and doubles in size.